Oh, I don't like unplugging things. Well, that's loose anyway. What the hell? Trust me this time. This video is sponsored by Stay Loyal, an out-and-out automotive brand created by yours truly. Check out our website. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today you join me on the driveway and Martin's Fiesta ZETEC S is back on the channel. Now there will be more videos to come of this car, but for now I am doing this one, okay? So today my other half Martin is at work, and I thought while he's at work and I've got a day off, I am going to do a massive modification to his car alone. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the massive modification I'm going to be doing myself is... it's just an air filter, guys, sorry. So yes, today I'm going to be installing this Pipercross air filter to the engine of the Fiesta ZETEC S. Now Martin is on some of these Facebook sites for the owners, the fellow owners that own these cars, and he was saying I'm looking for an air filter which you guys recommend, and Pipercross was the one that fellow owners of this car recommended. So we went on to Pipercross's website. I actually gave him a little ring and they gave us a good discount on this air filter. So let's do an unboxing together and let's see if this is going to be an easy job for me or not. So we're just going to use Martin's engine here as a bit of a prop. So we got some stickers, I'll put them there, and we have the air filter itself. So yeah, here is the air filter. Oh, little Pipercross logo on the front. It's a bit sticky around the outside, but I guess that's how it's meant to be. Yeah, that's nice. That is nice bit of kit, Pipercross. So installation wise, then guys, we have the air box here. Now I didn't know if I was going to have to take off this piping, but it looks like we'll just unplug this sensor. I'm hoping to just undo this screw, and then we got some like Torx, I don't know, Torx screws around here, and I'm hoping that'll just, I think this will come apart and hopefully this will just lift up, we hope. But I've never done this before, so let's just get stuck in, shall we? Okay, I hope the wind noise isn't too bad because I'm just on the GoPro. So I think first I'll remove this sensor, she says, to hopefully get better access to this screw. Oh, I don't like unplugging things. Ah, that was okay. So now that's out there, we can hopefully get better access to the screw I need to undo. No, that doesn't want to undo because that's in the way. Okey-cokey. That screw is actually quite grounded on, like. Access is just a bit fiddly. Well, that's loose anyway. Oh, I can't. Oh, access is awful. These are all very loose. Yeah, these airbox screws are quite loose. That's quite good, I suppose. God, they're quite long things, aren't they? I'll put them in my pocket. Right, I've managed to access this one down the side, I think. Oh, I just can't. This is so fiddly. I think that might just come out now. Yes, it will. God, I don't think it'll be this fiddly. Finish from doing that by hand and don't drop the screw would be good. Finally one I can access properly. Just not enough wiggle room for your hands next to this box. Right, we have another one out. So guys, I've taken that one out. I've taken where's the light gone from this camera? I've taken a Torx screw out there and there. Now I need to try and get, there's one in there. There you can see it, the brown rusty thing. Then that'll be all 4 of the Torx screws out. So let's give the last one a go and see if I have to take this pipe off or not. Okay, so I've just about managed to get in here. Goodness knows I'm going to be able to catch the screw and take it out, but we're all about that when it comes to it. Look at the angles in this car. How on earth am I going to get that screw actually out without dropping it? That's the question. So that one is still in there, but this is accessible now, I think. Yeah, I can see the old one in there. I wonder if I can cheat, just slide the new one in there like. Let's catch you on the battery tray there. Let's try and get the old one out. Oh, that's done it. Whew. So, I say that's the old one. That doesn't look too bad, does it really? So let's measure it up with the new one. That'd be a good start, I suppose. So there's a new one. Same size, but just look how thick that one is and how thin that is. Nice bit of kit. Already said that, but let's try and slide this in, because I am not going to be able to take that, lift that airbox up much more than the access to slide it in, basically. So I know it's not much of an angle, but let's try and slide this in. Yeah, this might be a bit difficult. What's going on with the actual pigeons here today? Oh, it's in. Oh, okay, well that was easier. The screw's still around. Cool. Okay, I think we're in then. That was easy. I just lifted it back up and slid the new one in. So I'm just going to start to get the first screw in to make sure it actually all goes in okay. Just do it by hand. There we go. Get all the way through. So now we'll go and tighten it up. That's not even going through the... What the hell? So the problem I'm having is that is all the way in, but it's not actually attaching, see? But that was how I found it, so maybe it is closed, it's just not tightening up. Is this bad or good? Let me know in the comments below. But either way, get another one of these out and kind of do it by hand, because it doesn't look like they're tightening anyway, even as much as I try. That one is still in there, and yet I was still able to kind of lift the box up a bit, so I don't really think these are actually doing anything for some reason. So I think I'm just going to put these in like hand tight, because I don't really think they're not tightening anyway like they should be. Well, that one is actually done something. I think we've got one tight. So I'm just doing this one by hand as well at the moment. I think this one might be tightening. Yeah, so the front two are tight, so why don't the back one do anything? That is just spinning around, that one. This was useless, this one. Can't even get in there. Well, we've got a couple of screws tightened. Pop the sensor back on, and hopefully she'll start. That'd be the first thing. Okay guys, so good news, the car started and it still runs after I've put the Pipercross air filter in the engine. So I thought originally the job was going to be quite hard, it's going to have to remove piping, but luckily I didn't have to. The torque screws weren't really doing anything anyway, so access was hard, but we've got it done. There's a reason that I haven't shown you this car running. That's because there has been a much bigger, trust me this time, modification that has happened to this car, which you'll see in another ZETEC S video to come on my channel. Thanks to Pipercross again for giving us a good deal on the air filter, and many more videos to come very soon on this little Fiesta ZETEC S. It's kind of rare as well, guys, so yeah, don't underestimate this little hot hatch Ford. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us something else a try, and hopefully when Martin comes home he'll be happy to be informed that the air filter has been a success. Thanks for watching, bye.